Ciao adventurers, Abby here from Savvy Travel with Abby. Today we're exploring the captivating world of Positano, Italy, on a budget. Positano, a vertical town cascading down the cliffs of the Amalfi coast, has been a sought-after destination since Roman times. Once a poor fishing village, it transformed into a chic resort town in the mid-20th century, thanks in part to John Steinbeck's essay, Positano, published in Harper's Bazaar in 1953. But don't worry, you don't need a celebrity budget to enjoy its wonders. Positano might scream luxury getaway, but fear not, budget explorers. This vibrant town, nestled on the Amalfi coast, offers a treasure trove of experiences that won't leave your wallet crying. Get ready for stunning beaches, mouth-watering Italian eats, and enough charm to fill your camera roll to bursting, all without needing a financial advisor on speed dial. Before we dive in, if you're new to Savvy Travel, smash that subscribe button faster than you can say gelato. Trust me, your future self, sipping limoncello on a Positano terrace, will thank you. Let's start with Positano's beaches. The main beach, Spiaggia Grande, has been the heart of town life for centuries. While sun lounger rentals can be pricey, there's plenty of free space to spread out your towel and soak up the sun. Pro tip: invest in a reusable beach umbrella from a local store. It'll save you money and protect you from the intense Mediterranean sun. Fun fact: did you know? Positano's nickname is the Vertical City due to the houses cascading down the cliffs. For a more secluded experience, try beach hopping. Fornillo Beach in Positano offers a quieter alternative to Spiaggia Grande. Venture to neighboring towns like Priano, where beaches like Marina di Praia and Gavitella offer a glimpse into traditional coastal life. These coves, carved by millennia of waves, were once launching points for fishing boats. For the adventurous, Duoglio Beach near Amalfi is a hidden gem, accessible by boat or a steep staircase. Now let's talk hiking. The Path of the Gods, or Sentiero degli, is a must-do. This ancient trail dates back to the 8th century BCE, when Greek settlers first navigated these rugged cliffs. As you hike, you'll pass through terraced lemon groves, a cultivation method introduced by the Arabs in the 9th century. These lemons are the key ingredient in limoncello, the region's famous liqueur. But that's not the only trail worth exploring. The Trail of the Mills in Amalfi takes you through a lush valley dotted with ruins of medieval paper mills. For a more challenging hike, try the Vallone del Ferriere, which leads to a stunning waterfall. Fun fact: keep an eye out for the elusive Saracen grotto along these trails. These caves were used by Saracen pirates in the Middle Ages as hiding spots for their loot. While finding one is rare, the search adds an element of adventure to your hike. Accommodation in Positano can be steep, but there are alternatives. Consider staying in Sorrento or Salerno. Both towns have excellent bus connections to Positano. If you're set on staying in Positano, look for options higher up the hill. These accommodations often offer better rates and stunning views. For the truly adventurous and budget-conscious, consider volunteer opportunities. Some organizations offer short-term positions in exchange for accommodation, providing a unique way to experience local life while saving money. Now let's dive into Positano's culinary scene. Skip the touristy restaurants and embrace local eateries. Try a slice of pizza al taglio or savor a panino filled with local cheeses and cured meats. For a truly budget-friendly meal, visit a local market and create your own picnic. The fish market in Positano is a feast for the senses, while larger markets in nearby towns offer a wide array of local produce. Speaking of markets, don't miss the opportunity to explore them. They're not just great for finding affordable, fresh ingredients. They're also windows into local culture and traditions. Chat with vendors, sample local specialties, and soak in the lively atmosphere. As evening falls, immerse yourself in the Passeggiata, the traditional Italian evening stroll. Join locals as they promenade along the waterfront, gelato in hand. It's a perfect opportunity for people watching and soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. For a unique evening experience, check out the beach movie nights organized by many hostels and guest houses. It's a budget-friendly way to enjoy Positano's beauty after dark. Also, keep an ear out for free concerts or street performances that often take place in town squares. No trip to the Amalfi coast is complete without visiting Capri. Reach the island affordably via ferry. Once there, explore Capri town on foot. Visit the Giardini di Augusto for breathtaking views of the Faraglioni rock formations. Back in Positano, delve into the town's artistic heritage. Look for local artisans selling ceramics. You'll find unique pieces at better prices than in tourist shops. For a hands-on experience, consider taking a ceramic painting class. To really immerse yourself in local culture, sign up for a cooking class. Learn to make traditional dishes like spaghetti, alla vongole, or a perfect caprese salad. Some local wineries also offer affordable tastings or tours, allowing you to experience the region's wine culture without breaking the bank. For history buffs, many beautiful churches in the area are free to visit and offer stunning architecture and art. You can also join free walking tours in nearby cities for excellent historical and cultural insights. Nature lovers, don't miss the Lemon Grove tours. Some groves offer free or low-cost tours where you can learn about the region's famous lemons and limoncello production. If you're visiting during festival season, you're in for a treat. The Festa del Pesce Fish Festival in Positano is a lively celebration of local cuisine and culture. During Easter, you might witness beautiful religious processions that have been traditions for centuries. For the photographers among you, Positano is a dream come true. Take yourself guided photography walks to capture the town's picturesque scenes. Don't miss the sunset. There are many free viewpoints offering spectacular vistas. To save money and reduce plastic waste, make use of the public water fountains scattered throughout the town. These Nasoni, or big noses, provide fresh, clean drinking water for free. If you're looking to practice your Italian, try finding language exchange meetups. It's a free way to interact with locals and improve your language skills. For art enthusiasts, many towns in the area have vibrant street art scenes that can be explored for free. It's like an open-air gallery showcasing contemporary Italian creativity. To make the most of your budget, consider using local transportation. The local SITA buses are an affordable way to explore the coast. Just remember to validate your ticket when you board. Lastly, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons, late spring or early fall. You'll enjoy lower prices, fewer crowds, and still beautiful weather. Remember, sustainable travel often aligns with budget-friendly practices. For more insider tips, watch this video on Positano 25 budget hacks you need. And if you've enjoyed this virtual trip to Positano, give this video a thumbs up. Ciao for now and happy travels!